Welcome to the Daniel J. Hilferty Center for Innovation. We host client-focused workshops led by facilitators trained in human-centered, design-based thinking. Our goal is to empower our clients to transform today's business challenges into tomorrow's opportunities. And this space was created with that mission in mind. The 13th floor offers multiple open lounges where people can relax, check emails, or prepare for the day's activities. Our meeting spaces are equipped with modern tools to facilitate in-person and virtual participation. The Hive is perfect for small group functions. There are also smaller breakout rooms, private phone rooms, ample seating options, beverage bars, and an AV support staff. Catering is also available. And if you're looking for a larger space, check out the greenhouse, which can be configured to meet your event's needs. Here, we don't fear change, and neither should you. Achieve your business goals at the Daniel J. Hilferty Center for Innovation.